हाय फ्रेंड्स, हेलो एंड वेलकम टू कॉम्पिटिटिव कीड़ा। कॉम्पिटिटिव कीड़ा में आपका स्वागत है। सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर हियर विद द बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस, द मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द थर्ड वीक ऑफ December. The first 2 weeks, the links are given below. Do check this out because December was an important month as it was the month following demonetization. So without any delay, let's start. So the first question, which became the first Indian bank to sign up as a national supporter for FIFA Under 17 World Cup 2017? So the answer here is BOB, Bank of Baroda. And remember friends, FIFA Under 17 World Cup is going to be hosted by India for the first time, and 6 venues have been finalized, and among those Kochi is one of the venue, which is the first venue. If you get the question which is the first venue finalized for this, so your answer will be Kochi. And also for Bank of Baroda, the CEO is PS Jaikumar is the CEO, and the tagline of Bank of Baroda is India's international bank. Remember, friends. So the next question: which organization approved the loan of 75 million US dollar for the Shanghai solar power project? So the answer here is National Development Bank. This is a bank made by BRICS. BRICS is an organization like SARC is an organization. ASEAN is an organization. BRICS is also an organization. It is by Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Remember, friends, the president of BRICS is KV Kamat, and its headquarters is at Shanghai. So, the new development bank by BRICS has provided a loan of 75 million US dollar for development of solar power project at Shanghai. So, the next question, the union government has decided to provide additional grace period of how many days to the farmer whose crop loan dues fall between the dates November 1st and December 31st. So a period of 60 days grace period has been given to this farmer due to the demonetization effect. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a penalty on 5 foreign banks for violating the instruction of RBI on reporting requirement of which act? So the answer here is option A, FEMA. And friends, what is the full form of FEMA? It is the Foreign Exchange Management Act. This act has been formulated by the Parliament of India in 1999, and this act generally deals with the consolidation and amendment laws relating to the foreign exchange management, both payment and receipt. So the answer here is FEMA. And remember friends, RBI has imposed a penalty on 5 foreign banks. So the next question, recently ICICI Bank has launched a mobile application for merchant which include different modes of payment like UPI, QR code, credit, debit card. So what is the name of that? So the answer is option A, EasyPay. EasyPay is the name of that. And coming to ICICI Bank, its headquarters is at Mumbai, and CEO is Miss Chanda Kochar. This is also important for interview because they sometimes ask name some female CEO of banks, Indian banks. So Chanda Kochar is one, Shikha Sharma, she is of Axis Bank, Arundhati Bhattacharya of SBI. So you need to remember all this. And the answer here is Easy Pay, which ICICI Bank has launched for the merchant for easy payments. And also remember friends, the tagline of the banks in news are also asked many times in exams. So the tagline of ICICI Bank is Khayal Aapka Hum Hai Na. Which public sector bank has merged its wholly owned subsidiary All Bank Finance with itself? This has occurred recently on 23rd December, and the answer here is Allahabad Bank. For Allahabad Bank, the CEO is Rakesh Sethi. Their headquarters is at Kolkata, and their tagline is Tradition of Trust. Tradition of Trust is their tagline. And here also I would like to tell you one trick. UCO Bank. UCO Bank, their headquarters is also at Kolkata. And what is their tagline? Honors your trust. So in exam, if you see UCO Bank and Allahabad Bank, their both headquarters is at Kolkata, and trust is the keyword for their tagline. So Reserve Bank of India opened the 17th banking ombudsman office in which North Indian city? So the answer here is Dehradun. It recently opened its 17th banking ombudsman office in Dehradun. And friends, what is banking ombudsman? Banking ombudsman is a person appointed by RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, and he looks into the grievance of the general public related to banking and provides them compensation if necessary. That means if their grievance is actual, the banking ombudsman provide them compensation, and the maximum compensation that the banking ombudsman can provide is up to 10 lakh. Then the next question, this is also related to banking ombudsman. What is the total number of RBI's banking ombudsman office in India? So the answer here is option D, 18th. In the previous question we studied, the 17th number banking ombudsman office was opened in Dehradun, and the 18th banking ombudsman office was opened in Ranchi. It was opened in Ranchi, Jharkhand. So the total number of banking ombudsmen in India is 18. Then the next question, which bank adopted a village Sirki in Maharashtra to make the entire village cashless in 30 days? Remember the village name? The village name is Sirki in Maharashtra. And this village has been adopted by SBI, the State Bank of India. The managing director and CEO is Ms. Arundhati Bhattacharya. The headquarters is at Mumbai. And the tagline is the nation banks on us. So the answer here is SBI, and the village they have adopted is Sirki. Then the next question, the domestic rating agency ICRA has forecasted India's GVA, the gross value added growth, to be what percent in 2016-17? So it has forecasted 6.6%, and for the year 2016-17 this has done a low forecast because of the impact of demonetization. So this is also a question related to demonetization, so this becomes important. And coming to the full form of ICRA, ICRA stands for Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency of India. It is one of the credit rating agency of India. So this was also in news. You might have heard it. India has overtaken UK in terms of size of economy for the first time in 150 year. And with this, now India has become the dash largest economy in the world. So with this, India has become the fifth largest economy in the world. The first four being US, China, Japan, and Germany. So India is the fifth largest economy, and it has surpassed United Kingdom. So the next question, Privat Bank is a famous bank of which country? So Privat Bank is the famous bank of Ukraine. And why this was in news? This was in news because this bank was declared insolvent by the National Bank of Ukraine. By the National Bank of Ukraine, the Privat Bank was declared insolvent. Like RBI is our national bank, Ukraine Central Bank is known as National Bank of Ukraine. So it has declared Privat Bank as insolvent. So the Employee Provident Fund organization reduced the interest rate of Employee Provident Fund deposit to what percent in 2016-17, and the current percent it is given as 8.8, and it has reduced to what percent? So the EPFO has reduced it to option C, 8.65%. And remember friends, the EPFO come under the Labor's Ministry, the Ministry of Labor and Employment, and which the minister is Bandaru Dattarai. Then the next question, Yes Bank had tied up with which cab services to provide cash at doorstep? So the answer here is Ola. Yes Bank has tied up with Ola to provide cash at doorstep. Then the next question, again relating to SBI. So it has launched a mobile wallet in partnership with BSNL. So what is the name of it? So the name is SBI MobiCash. Then the next question, what does R in IRDAI stands for? So R in IRDAI stands for regulatory. It is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. It is the regulatory body of insurance market in India. Like RBI is the regulatory body of money market, SEBI is the regulatory body of capital market. Similarly, IRDAI is the regulatory body for insurance market. Its headquarters is at Hyderabad, and the head of IRDA is T.S. Vijayan. Remember this, friends. T.S. Vijayan is the head of IRDA, and its headquarters is at Hyderabad. So, friends, hope you have liked this third week banking and financial awareness. The most important questions. Do watch part 1 and 2, that is first week and second week of December. Those are also important for the exams. Do like this video. Do share this video with your friends and groups of WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook so that it reaches everyone. Do subscribe our channel for more such video. Will be coming up with more video covering all exams. So till then, keep studying, keep enjoying. Thank you.